First of all, I'm not sure that everybody knows what the dosha constitution is. So I think it might be fundamental that people get an idea of what their constitution is, so they can see whether what at what stage of life they're in, and perhaps what their constitution is at the present time. What do we do in that case, Dr. Gupta?
So for that, they can use any source. They can use the book. They can use website to know what is their basic constitution. Now, I would suggest, like, say someone is 35 years and they might not be able to know what they were at the birth time. So for that particular part, I think take help of an expert, because then they have different ways of verifying it, that what is their current dosha predominance as of now and what is their birth constitution. Second way is also sometimes things change, so there is a confusion between two things. Astrology, Vedic astrology, is another way because that is fixed, that is according to birth time. So two methods to know correct dosha type: either consult an expert or do the astrological chart. And third thing is, if you are clear that you are monodoshi, means one dosha, which means very clear characteristics of one particular dosha. If it is mixed, you again will need help of an expert. But if it is single dosha, very clear vata type, very clear pitta type, very clear kapha type, you can also try to remember what are long-term tendencies and what you have got just recently. So recently means, like, say for a few days or a couple of months. So which means you never had, say, constipation, never. But now for last few days or weeks or months, you are having it. Or say sleep problem, you never had in your life, but right now you are having those. If you happen to take the questionnaire around time when you have these symptoms, there is high chance that you might count them towards your type instead of imbalance.
Okay,
So
Dr. Gupta, just one second. Does your website have that?
Yes.
Question.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. And the other thing, can we tell from our parents what kind of dosha we may have predominantly?
There is a possibility. Only because, say, if there is a pitta father and kapha mother, right? Now, what combination comes out, we will not know. But there is higher chance that there could be something coming from each one of them. But not 100% definite that we can look at them, because they have also gone through their own phase.
Okay, so if I'm heavy, then I may be leaning towards kapha. Is that right?
Yes.
If I'm slim and medium built, then I'm more likely in pitta.
Right.
Thin, and then I'm more likely in vata.
Yeah.